In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate a PDF in OneNote. If you want a simple way to mark up a PDF, highlight important details, and keep everything organized inside your notes, OneNote makes that process very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to bring a PDF into your notebook and then use OneNote's drawing tools to annotate it clearly. To get started, open the OneNote desktop app and open the notebook where you want to work. Make sure you're in the correct section or page before importing the PDF, especially if you like to keep your notes neatly sorted by topic, class, project, or client. Taking a moment to place the file in the right location now can save you time later. Once your notebook is open, go to the top menu and click Insert. This is where OneNote lets you add different types of content to your page, including files, images, and printouts. For annotating a PDF directly in your notes, the option you'll want is File Printout. Click File Printout and OneNote will prompt you to choose a file. Select the option to browse from your computer, then locate the PDF you want to annotate. After you choose the file, OneNote will insert the PDF pages onto the note page as a printout. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments, so give it a second if the document is large. Once the PDF appears in your notebook, go to the Draw tab at the top. This is where OneNote's annotation tools live. The Draw menu gives you access to pens, markers, and highlighters, which are useful for reviewing documents, studying materials, or emphasizing key information without changing the original PDF file itself. From the Draw tab, click the highlighter tool and start highlighting the parts of the PDF that matter most. You can drag over text or areas you want to emphasize, just like you would with a physical highlighter on paper. This is especially helpful for pulling out important terms, deadlines, instructions, or sections you want to revisit later. As you highlight, try to stay consistent with what you mark so your notes remain easy to scan. For example, you might use highlighting only for key points rather than covering too much of the page. That way, your annotations stay useful and visually clear, and that's it. Once your PDF is inserted as a file printout, you can use the Draw tools in OneNote to highlight and annotate directly on the page. It's a quick and practical way to review documents and keep your comments in one place.